Hi guys, I thought today I'd do an unboxing video. I've got a few gifts from some friends. We're going to start out with the one from my buddy Dallas because we're going to use it to open the others. Dallas sent me this cool little knife that has some tools in it. It says screwdriver and a knife that has uses razor blades. It also has a nice pouch that goes with it. So let's take this knife. Let's start out with this bag. This is from Dirty Diaper 21. If you're not familiar with Dirty Diaper's channel, check him out. He does a live stream every Saturday night. He does a live stream talking to a bunch of his locals. And Dirty Diaper 21 sent me a t-shirt. I'll show you the front first. It's he calls the radio show Old Radio Night. Like I said, it's on Saturday nights. I believe he starts it at 8 o'clock, but I'm not positive of that. My memory is terrible. Let me show you the back of it now. That's a nice shirt. I like the gray color too. Gray is one of my favorite colors for shirts. Ooh, that's going to fit perfect too. Awesome. Thank you so much, 21. I appreciate that. We have other stuff too from 21. Let's put that right here for now so you guys can still see that. Wow. I go into, that's not the one I want just yet. He sent me some stickers. Check it out. We got Old Radio Night 21 radio stickers. Got a few of those. Well, this one just says Old Radio Night. The 21's not on there. There's another one that's the Old Radio Night 21. And the last one is another Old Radio Night. Now we have some rectangular ones. These I'm going to have to bring up close. I'm going to come around the table for a second and bring this in so you can see it. Can you see that? That's a pretty cool sticker, isn't it? He sent me 2 of those. Thank you so much, 21. That t-shirt, I'll be going to a ham fest in March, on March 12th in Charlotte. I want to wear that during that ham fest. All right, let's get that bag out of the way. Oh, we'll get that out of the way too. We don't want to see any addresses on camera. I have another one here that I made a donation to another YouTube channel, and it was $3.90 Wagon Master. If you haven't seen his channel, check him out. He's got a really good channel. He does a lot of live streams, working on radios, and doing skip videos. He does live, so you can try and reach him while he's doing a live stream. But he also sent me some cards. Oh, I gotta come around that table again. Let me show you. Worldwide, $3.90. Let's see, we have the ham card. And we have the, look at that. I believe that's the Stoner Pro. That is a, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. I have to come around the back of the camera to make sure. Awesome setup there. Get cards from $3.90 Wagon Master. He's got another channel too. He calls himself Break-A-Broke 23, which is mostly stereo and Bluetooth items. He'll show you how to hook up Bluetooth to just about anything. So you get a chance, check him out. He's $3.90 Wagon Master and Break-A-Broke 23. And Mike, you might as well avoid that out of your bank account, because I hardly ever leave the house, and I don't think I'm going to be getting to the bank. He sent me a check to cover the shipping for the donation that I gave to his channel, but I didn't want anything back. That was just, the spirit moved me, and I sent that bracket for a President Madison to him. All right, let's move the t-shirt out of the way. I don't know if we're still going to be able to see that. That's probably out of shot of the camera. This big box, a fantastic guy up in Ohio. Thank you so much, Jim. He sent me this radio, this equipment that's in this box. I don't want to give it away yet. You'll see it as I open it. You'll see it as I see it. He started out as a CBer and very quickly moved into ham radio. He got addicted to DX. He's got a beautiful station set up at his house up there in Ohio. Let's open this box up and let's see what Jim sent me. Dallas, that knife makes life so much easier. I'm going to close that up so I don't hurt myself. Let's see what we got in here. I already know what's in here. He told me what he was sending me. We have a lot of bubble wrap. That's nice. It means this thing is wrapped pretty good. We got a good solid top on there. All right, let's take out the first thing in the box. You ready? Look at that. Let me bring it so I can see it. Ooh, that's in really good shape. Wow, that's fantastic. Nice dosy meter. It's not the peak reading meter. So this one doesn't give you the dosy feel-good watts. This one will give RMS watts. That is a nice meter, though. That's fantastic. It's big, too. It's bigger than I thought these were. All right, let's put that one aside. Get some more of this bubble wrap. Jim, you did an awesome job packing this. I'm very impressed. All right, little teaser. We have a microphone, and I'm sure a lot of you recognize that microphone. It's an RCI microphone. Let's put that on the table. And should I pull out the radio first, or should I pull out the other item? Let's pull out the radio. Since I already gave you a little teaser on the radio, let's take the radio out of the box. Look at that. An RCI 2950. Right? Yep, 2950. That's another item that's in really good shape. I gotta take the glasses down a little bit because I'm getting old and I can't see. Wow, that's in really good shape. Jim, thank you so much. Oh, that's a beauty. We're gonna have to put some power to this in a little while and see what this thing does. See if it still works. He had this packed up in a box for a long time. Back in the 90s, he told me he packed this stuff away when he got his ham radio license and graduated to the ham equipment. So this stuff has not been powered up probably since the 90s. All right, last item in the box. Are you ready for this? This is the item that excited me the most. Ooh, that's big too. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. I need Dallas's knife again. Gotta cut through the tape that's around this. I don't want to bring it out of the box just yet. I don't want to spoil it for you. I want you to see it once it's all unwrapped. You probably see those wires already and you got a kind of an idea. Alright, we can get rid of that box now because the box is now empty. You see the back side? Wait. Oh, look at the front side. Oh, isn't that a beauty? That thing is big, too. Hoo-wee. I tried to find information on this. I found one that it may have been Rooster in Tennessee that did a video of one of these. But I don't think it was the same amplifier. It was called a Skipper, but the one that he did a video of looked a lot smaller than this. Oh, we're going to have to hook that up. And whew, wow, that's another item that's in great shape. The cardboard of plastic on the bottom is going to need to be taken out and straightened out because it got pushed in a little bit, but that's nothing. That's just it's a flexible piece of plastic is what that is. Isn't that nice though? Look at that. Can you see that? That's a beauty. It's heavy too. I can't hold it there for long. We may have found a new amplifier to go on my desk over there. And when I go to that Hamfest, I think I'm going to have to look for a power supply that'll run this. Because I don't think my 20 amp power supply is going to be enough to run this thing. Oh, we should open this up, shouldn't we? I want to open it up. I'm going to pop the screws out of the back of this. Let's see what's inside of it. We got to come around the table again. Oh, stepping on bubble wrap. You ready? Let's pop this loose, and we have to take it off anyway to fix that plastic on the bottom. So let's see what this thing's made of. Oh, you see that? Down to the floor it went. And I didn't leave myself a whole lot of room over here. Oh, I'm so excited I can't keep my hands still. This thing's a beauty. It's got some pretty heavy wires on there too, so. What do you think? 2 pills or 4? Oh, we're gonna find out in a minute. Too excited, my hands aren't working right. Can't handle the screwdriver. The cover's a little deformed and not really wanting to cooperate with us. May have to make up a new bottom plate for this thing. It's all jammed in there. I have no choice. I gotta just pop it out of there because it will not slide. Oh boy, there we go. There I told you, it's just a hard piece of plastic, and it's flexible. Maybe I'll put a little bit of heat to it and see if I can get it to flatten out. Already, most of the curve is already coming out of it. Oh, that's a 4-pill. Oh boy. Oh, and I can't see what they are. There's copper, not copper, ground straps over the pills. All I can see is that they're Motorola's. That'd be cool if they're 454s or 455s. I like those chips. I have 3 amplifiers set up, and they're all running MRF 454s. They take a beating. Oh, I've done some crazy things with those amplifiers, and they just keep right on working. Oh, look at that. That's cool, too. It has a 40 amp internal fuse. Well, that is a sweet box, isn't it? Hoo-wee. Jim, thank you so much. Oh, even if you were worried that the stuff might not work, even if this doesn't work, I can bring this over to my friends at Cuz Customs, and they're great with amplifiers. So even if this has any kind of issues, they'll be able to get this one up and running for me. Wow, that is just fantastic. Oh, that's great in there. Let me bring it up close so you can see inside too. You see that? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, that is just... Hey, I can't take the smile off my face. And we're going to put it upside down just so that we have that inside up. Alright, now that we've opened up all the boxes, I need to do a slight correction. Oh, where is it? My last video that I put out, I forgot to mention another YouTube channel. A local around here gave me this radio. This was one of the basic beginner CB radios that I did. This is the realistic, what is it, a TRC 464. My buddy Jason 105 in South Carolina, he gave me this radio along with a few others. If you get a chance, check out his YouTube channel. He's got a really good YouTube channel also. It's called Radio Rescue. He does repair on old tube radios. He does mostly old AM radio receivers, and he does fantastic work. The guy is just really good with the old tube sets. So if you get a chance, check him out. Jason, Radio Rescue. If you hear him on the radio, he goes by 105. Tell him Moa Junkie sent you. He'll get a kick out of it. All right, I guess that's going to wrap this up for now. I'm going to mess around with these items, and once I have power to them and figure out what works and what doesn't, actually I'll be recording at the same time. But I'm going to play around with these and record the progress of what I find with this thing, especially. Mwah. This is just fantastic. That is the biggest amp that I have ever had. I've been running a Palomar 225, for probably 25 years. That same amplifier, never been in the shop. It's a great little box. But I think, well, the 225 will probably still stay in use, but this is going to end up replacing my 200 watt amp, which it's called a 200, but it has the same transistors in it that the Palomar 225 has. So I'm going to mess around with these, and I'll let you know the progress. I'll keep you updated on these. So remember the channels that we talked about today. Dirty Diaper 21. He does the old radio night on Saturday nights. That's a live stream, by the way. Wagon Master, 390 Wagon Master, also does some live streams. I think he usually does his on Thursday night. They're kind of late at night for me. He's in Utah, and I think he starts them 8 or 9 o'clock at night, which over here in South Carolina, that's past my bedtime. So usually I have to watch the repeater of it. Once in a while I'll stay up late enough to see the whole thing. Let's see, who else did we have? We had Jim in Ohio. I'm not sure if Jim wanted me to say his call sign, but Jim's a ham radio operator out of Ohio. Fantastic guy. I've been emailing back and forth with him this week. And Jim, hey, thank you so much. I'm beside myself with this amplifier. I really am. The dosimeter, too. The dosimeter is awesome. And let's see, and we had a Radio Rescue. No, let's not forget Jason. Jason's got an awesome channel, too. All right, guys, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time when I power these things up. Take care.